Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making a very special painting. First we will make the portrait. The painting of a woman with a horse. Now I am going to use watercolor. First we will make background. Guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram, link in description. We are filling in colors on portrait. Now I am giving the final touch to this painting. I am adding the outline so that the portrait features become clear. Now I will let this painting dry a little. Now I will check the final look after it dries. This is the final look. Finally, don't forget to give me feedback after watching the video. And thank you so much for watching my entire video. And don't forget to subscribe.